Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Honda Civic Si. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Honda is a great value with less than 34,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.